not about making a scene if it's what I have to do.
Thank you. Oh, I wish everyone in hospitality could be so hospitable.
Well, if you're going to be working in hospitality, not be hospitable, what's the point?
Every single thing. Siya, guys. Mix it well. Mix it well.
Hi guys! So, nandito na naman tayo sa ating panibagong luto serye. So, tara, samahan niyo ako sa ating pagluluto. Una, maglagay tayo ng 3 tablespoon of olive oil. So guys, nakita nyo pinili ko ay chicken thigh. So itong recipe na to, ang tinatawag natin nito ay honey soy baked chicken. So ngayon naman, nag-add tayo ng 3 tablespoon of soy sauce. Then after that, mag-add tayo ng honey. And garlic. Chopped garlic, or kung wala kayong garlic, pwede nyo gamitan din ng garlic powder. Salt. Onion powder. And a little bit of garlic powder. So, i-mix lang natin siya together. So, make sure na mag-even yung paglalagay natin ng mga powder. So, ayan na siya, guys. So, ito na yung pan. Naglagay ako ng olive oil. So, ayusin na natin siya. Then, ready na to bake. Yung oven natin, dapat naka-preheat na siya sa 425 degrees Fahrenheit. So, for 25 minutes, kailangan natin siyang i-bake. And then, after 25 minutes, i-bake pa natin siya ng another 10 minutes each side. So, ayan na siya, guys. Nakikita nyo na medyo brownish talaga siya. And parang barbecue ang dating. So, ganyan talaga yung magiging kulay niya. So, baliktarin lang natin. So, wait natin for another 10 minutes. Masasabi ko, guys, iba talaga pag binibake yung chicken. Mas masarap yung lasa niya. As in juicy. So, I want you to try this recipe kasi sobrang sarap. I highly recommend this kind of recipe talaga. And gusto kong masubukan nyo itong recipe ko. So, ito na yung ating honey soy baked chicken. Enjoy! Thank you for watching this video, guys. And I hope na nag-enjoy kayo sa ating panibagong recipe. And sa mga hindi pa po nagsasubscribe, don't forget to click subscribe and click the bell button for more videos and updates.